So, good evening, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, good evening. Yesterday in rate measure we started one problem, after that actually due to power failure we could not continue the class. So, today we will continue the session. This is the new chapter, that is rate measure. Already the concepts have been discussed yesterday itself only. If you want the concepts, please do watch yesterday video. Okay. Now still joining, very good, very good. Okay. Today so many newcomers are there, new viewers. Subscribe and like and share. Okay. This is the first question, you can note down. Once again I repeat this question also for you. If a particle moves along a line by the law 2t cube plus 9t square plus 12t plus 6, then the displacement at t is equal to 1 second. So, S represent displacement itself only, just this a function of t, S of t is equal to 2t cube plus 9t square plus 12t plus 6. So, now S at t is equal to 1 you need to calculate. Put t for 1, 2 into 1 cube 1 plus 9 into 1 square, here 9 into 1, 12 into 1 plus 6, 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 18. So, 29 units is answer. That means, first option is the right option. So, matrices the morning actually we discussing. So, I divided into the two tracks, you remember two tracks. Okay, now let us go for second question. Second question. So, what happened means exactly by 5:30 to 6 it may rain. Yesterday that has happened same itself only. So, that I started by this 4:10 instead of 4:30, because weather is not we are not predicting. So, that is why now it is good here at weather is. So, I started the class. Okay. Right now this is the question actually. The distance travelled by a particle in time t, that means in t seconds or time t, is given by S is equal to t cube minus 2t square minus 3t plus 5. The velocity of the particle when t is equal to 2 seconds. First option 1 unit per second, second option 2 units per second, third option half unit per second, Fourth option is 3 units per second. This is the question. Thank you, thank you. So, Ramesh Babu, that is actually intermediate. You might have seen intermediate, Mr. Ramesh Babu. So, now this time actually in Eamcet clearly I have explained the concepts. Okay. After a long time, Ramesh Babu is a visiting professor. The distance travelled by a particle in time t given by s is equal to t cube minus 2t square minus 3t plus 5. The velocity of the particle at instant t is equal to 2 seconds we need to find out. Okay. So, that means actually see here we need to find out first ds by dt, differentiate both sides with respect to time, we get 3t square minus t square differentiation is 2t. So, 2 into 2t 4t minus 3 minus plus 5 differentiation is 0. So, this is actually velocity v. Now, we need to find out v at t is equal to 2 seconds, that is equal to 3 into 2 square 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 3. So, this is 12 minus 8 minus 3, that means actually 12 minus 11. So, that means 1 unit per second. This is the actually velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds. So, understood now. So, that means first option is the right option. T square is 4, okay, 12, 3t square, 4t, 4 into 2 8 and minus 3. So, 1 unit per second, yes. Right now, Mr. Michael, only one time you need to type, okay, right. So, next let us move to the next question. So, third problem, a particle moves such that s is equal to 6t cube plus 4t square plus 6t minus 3. The acceleration of the particle okay, when t is equal to 3 seconds is, okay, okay. Now, first option 106 units per second square, second 116 units per second square. Okay. Third option 112 units per second square. Fourth one 3 units per second square. Okay, this is the problem. So, first let me read out the question. Now, a particle moves such that s is equal to 6t cube plus 4t square plus 6t minus 3. The acceleration of the particle when t is equal to 3 seconds. That means, acceleration at t is equal to 3 we need to find out. So, that means, first we need to find out ds by dt, so that we get v. Next to find dv by dt, you get the acceleration, then substitute t is equal to 3. So, first let us find out ds by dt. So, ds by dt is rate of change of displacement, that is the velocity, equals to 6t cube differentiation. So, 18t square plus t square differentiation is 2t, that is 8t, 66. Next acceleration is dv by dt. So, this is actually we have 36t plus 8. Now, acceleration at t is equal to 3 seconds you need to find out. This equals to 36 into 3 plus 8. 36 into 3 is 108 plus 8, 116. But what are the units for acceleration? Units for acceleration is units per second square. So, units per second square. So, that means second option is the right option. Okay. Fourth problem. If a particle moves, along a line by s equals to 12t square minus t cube, then the time at which particle comes to rest, that means we need to find out time, is first option 2 seconds, after 2 seconds, second after 4 seconds, third option after 6 seconds, fourth option after 8 seconds. So, that means okay. So, now if a particle moves along a line s is equal to 12 t square minus t 12 t square minus t cube, then the time at which particle comes to rest. So, particle comes to rest means when you apply the brakes to the car or any train, what becomes means the final velocity becomes 0. So, that means we need to equate v is equal to 0. So, then at that time you just calculate the t value. So, that is the required time we need to find out. So, that means first of all let us find out ds by dt. ds by dt. ds by dt means here 24 t, am I correct, minus 3 t square. So, particle comes to rest, particle comes to rest. Particle comes to rest means final velocity becomes 0, not initial, v becomes 0. That means 24 t minus 3 t square is equal to 0. Take t common. If you take t common or 3 t common, you take 3 t common, what do you get now here? 3 t common means 8 minus t is equal to 0. Here we get two equations, 3 t equals to 0 and 8 minus t equals to 0. So, that means actually t is equal to 0 seconds, t is equal to 8. So, if you put t is equal to 0 also, what does it become? Displacement is 0. So, that means here actually not yet started, that is rest position. So, we need to ignore it. After travelling 8 seconds, the particle comes to rest. So, that means fourth option is the right option. Okay. So, Mr. Prabhakar, you are the new to my class actually. So, what happened means after 5:32 in between 7 o'clock actually we are daily we are getting the rain here. Due to that rain actually we do not have the power supply, the power failure is there, that is why just I am saying today is the trial class. Whether if rain may appear will come, then I will stop the class. So, please do not disturb, that the class will be continued. Next, fifth one. A particle moves according to the law, S equals to t cube minus 3 t square plus 3 t plus 12. The velocity when the acceleration is 0 is First option 10 units per second. Second option 0. Third option 8/3 units per second. Fourth option is -3 units per second. This is the question. So, I cannot decide the evening session timings because that depends upon weather conditions. So, you need to check. Okay. Right. A particle moves according to the law S is equal t cube minus 3t square plus 3t plus 12. The velocity when the acceleration is 0. This is very important point. That means, first we need to equate acceleration to 0 so that we get t value. At t we need to find out ds by dt. That means, velocity we need to find out. So, that means, velocity is given by ds by dt. So, differentiate s with respect to time, we get 3t square minus 6t, am I correct, plus 3. Acceleration is dv by dt. So, that is equal to differentiation of 3t square minus 6t plus 3, that is actually 6t minus 6. Acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0. That implies a equals to 0. 6t minus 6 equals to 0. So, 6t equals to 6. That means, at t is equal to 1 second, acceleration becomes 0. Now, at t is equal to 1, we need to find out velocity. So, that means, velocity at t is equal to 1 second. So, that equal to 3 into 1 square 1 minus 6 into 1 plus 3. So, we have 3 minus 6 plus 3, that is 0. So, that means, second option is the right option. So, our regular viewers, I request you, some new suspicious viewers are actually might be encroaching to our chart. Please be careful. Okay. So, now let us move to the next question. Sixth one, okay, if the rate of change in okay, y equals to x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2 times the rate of change in x, then x equals to okay. First option is 2 comma 3, second option is 1 comma 3, third option is 1 comma 2, fourth option is 2 comma 5. The rate of change in y means in this one is 2 times the rate of change in x. So, that means what is given means in the problem dy by dt equals to, given that 2 times dx by dt, this condition is given. Then we need to find out x value. First, given now curve y equals to x cube by 3 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 7. Differentiate with respect to not x, with respect to time t. So, that means derivative of y with respect to time is dy by dt equals to x cube differentiation is actually 3x square upon 3 into dx by dt, we need to write minus 2x square differentiation 4x dx by dt and 5x differentiation 5 dx by dt, whereas 7 is constant 0. So, that means now this can be written dy by dx is equal to 2 dx by dt. So, this is replaced. So, now this 3 gets cancelled, dx by dt is common, we have x square minus 4x plus 5 of dx by dt. So, dx by dt is gets cancelled. So, we have x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 2, bring to this side, plus 3 equals to 0. We get a quadratic equation in x. So, factors are x minus 1 into x minus 3. Am I correct now? So, we get x is equal to 1 or 3, 1 comma 3. So, second option is the right option. Right. Yes, option 2. So, let us move to the 7th question now. So, that means actually rate of change means it may be increase or decrease, both we will consider, increase or decrease. Seventh question, if the rate of decrease of x square by 2 minus 2x plus 5 is twice means 2 times, twice the decrease of x, the decrease, that means rate of decrease of x, then x equals to the value of x. First option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 4, fourth option is 1. Similar to the previous problem only, this is the rate of decrease of this one. Let us say this is y. That means dy by dt equals to twice the decrease of rate of decrease of x. Dy by dx is equal to 2 times dx by dt. Then we need to find out x value. So that means what is given here? So dy by dt is equal to 2 times dx by dt. Let us say this is y equals to x square by 2 minus 2x plus 5. Okay. Differentiate with respect to time t. So dy by dt is equal to this one, this time I write directly, x square differentiation is 2x by 2 x minus 2 with respect to dx by dt. So that means x minus 2 into dx by dt equals to dy by dt is given as 2 times dx by dt. Dx by dt gets cancelled. We have x minus 2 is equal to 2. Simple linear equation you need to solve. 2 plus 2 4. So x is equal to 4. Third option. So Badawat Naveen Nayak, I know Telugu, but actually, so if I total in Telugu, what will happen means it will be applicable for only both the states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, but not my intention is that it should be useful for throughout India, even some other places also, because I have the subscribers from different countries also. Please try to concentrate, but I do the videos on even Telugu. That means after that, after completion of this session, definitely I will do it. Please try to understand. Nothing is there. Mathematics is it has its own language. Don't worry. It has its own language. Okay. Now, 8th problem. The radius of a circular plate, that means a plate which is in the shape of a circular plate, is increasing no problem. Increasing at the rate of 0.01 centimeter per second. That means the radius of a circular plate is increasing per second 0.011 centimeter, it is increasing. When the radius is 12 centimeters, then the rate at which the area increases is yes, Murthy, absolutely correct. That's why only both sides are negative. I have taken the change itself is the here change is two types, increment and decrement. Here decrement I don't understand easily, no problem, but actually you need to watch 2 or 3 4 times, definitely you will understand. Okay. So, first one 0.24 pi square centimeter per second. Second one 60 pi square centimeter per second. Third one 24 pi square centimeter per second. Fourth one 1.2 pi square centimeter per second. Okay. So, that means the radius of a circular plate is increasing at the rate of 0.01 centimeter per second. When the radius is 12 centimeter, the rate of change of area we need to calculate. So, that means first of all we need to remember, area of the circle formula. Area of the circle formula is A is equal to pi r square. You remember this formula. First, what is given actually here? Solution. So, dr by dt given. Dr by dt equals to 0.01 centimeter per second. Now, we need to calculate dA by dt is equal to question mark. dA by dt when r is equal to 12 centimeters. This is the question mark. Now, A is equal to pi r square means let us find out dA by dt. dA by dt is equal to r square differentiation 2r and dr by dt. 2 pi r dr by dt. Let us substitute respective values now. So, dA by dt at r is equal to 12. That means actually here we get 2 pi into 12. dr by dt is equal to how much? 0.01. This is 0.024. Wait. First you will be getting 24. 24 into 1, 24, but 2 points. 0.24 pi square centimeter per second. So, that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. Ninth one. So, Mr. Gokman, definitely you will be given. We do not have any Telegram group, we have the only WhatsApp group. Our friends will share definitely. So, our regular viewers, please share that number to Mr. Right. If the rate of change in area of a circle, is equal to the rate of change of rate of change of its radius, its radius, its radius, then the radius is, then the radius is. Okay. So, first option 1 by pi, second option 1 by 2 pi, third option 1 by root pi, fourth option 1 by root of 2 pi. So, this is the question, right? The rate of change in area of a circle is equal to the rate of change in radius, then radius we need to find out. So, that means actually what is given means dA by dt equals to dr by dt. So, area of the circle is equal to A is equal to pi r square, dA by dt let us find out, equal to 2 pi r into r square differentiation is 2r and dr by dt. So, now dA by dt is equal to replace this value. So, 2 pi r dr by dt equal to dr by dt. So, dr by dt gets cancelled, 1 we have, r is equal to 1 by 2 pi. So, second option is the right option. So, what about Chalma Shastri? Today she there, Madhurima is there, yes, Chalma Shastri, Madhurima, Akash, Sai Kiran after long time, Govindu, Suma, next Gopasri, right. What about Behra, Shamir, Gopasri, okay, right. Joseph, oh everybody is there today. What about Lavanya Ramaya is not coming, Chandana, Tapsum, Surya Prakash, Dhruvamsh, okay. Ashwaradi, oh you are there Ashwaradi, oh Dhruvamsh, okay. So, 10th problem, right, Chandana is there, okay. The side of a cube, the side of a cube increased at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. The rate of increase in the surface area, of the cube, when the side is 5 centimeter is, this is the question. So, I am not technically so good, actually I am doing my level best, I am learning now presently. So, definitely I will arrange in the playlist. Okay. So, Lakshmaya, yes, you are also regular, right. Jai Vishnu Madhuri, first time seen. 3 square centimeter per second. Second option 1.2 square centimeter per second. Third option 10 square centimeter per second. Fourth option 15 square centimeter per second. Okay, Suma, you are also there. Akhil, right. Now, this problem is related to the cube. The side of a cube is increased at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. Rate of increase in the surface area of a cube. So, first we need to find out, let us say, let A be the side of a cube. Side of a cube. Surface area means 4, surface area means actually here 4a square, this is the formula. Okay. What is given here? The rate of change of side given, that means rate of change of small a given, that means dA by dt equals to 0.02 centimeter per second. Surface area of a cube is given by 4 sides, 4 square, area of the 4 faces square, ds by dt. ds by dt is equal to, if you differentiate it, 4 into a square differentiation 2a and dA by dt. So, your side is given 5 centimeters. That means now you need to calculate ds by dt when a is equal to 5, side is equal to 5. That means 8 into 4 into 2, 8 into 5 into dA by dt is equal to how much given? 0.02. That is actually 40 into 0.02. Okay, now 8 into, let us check now, 0.02. Okay, side is 5, this is 4 into 2a dA by dt, 0.02. Yes, so that means actually this is 40 into 0.02, this will be 80. How many points you need to put? 2 points. So 0.8 centimeter square per second, square centimeter. Option is not there. So 6a square means that is the, yes, surface area 6a square, correct only. Okay, I need to do it now. So here I need to check x, 6a square, here 6, this will be how much? 12, 60. Now wait, this will be 120. How many points? 2 points. That means 1.2 square centimeter per second. So that means, yes, exactly correct, because the cube has 6 faces. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. Okay, my number given by Mr. DVK Murthy, please all of you note down. Yes, if the rate of change in the volume of a sphere this problem is related to the sphere of a sphere is equal to the rate of change in its radius then its radius is first option 1 by 2 pi, second option 1 by 2 root pi, third option 1 by root of 2 pi, fourth option 2 by pi. Okay. So, Madhrima, once again give my number. Right. The rate of change in the volume of a sphere is equal to rate of change in radius, not in radius, in its radius. Then the radius we need to find out. So, that means this problem is related to the sphere. The volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is a formula. So, this is the formula to evaluate volume of a sphere. You remember this one. So, what is given actually here? dV by dt equal to dr by dt given. Now, differentiate this one with respect to t. dV by dt equals to 4 by 3 pi into r cube, differentiation is 3r square, but with respect to t, dr by dt. Now, 3 gets cancelled. Now, we have dV by dt is equal to dr by dt, this from 1, 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now, the dr by dt gets cancelled. We have 4 pi r square is equal to 1. So, now r square is equal to 1 by 4 pi. We need to find out radius. R is equal to root over 1 by 4 pi. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 pi is, square root of 4 is 2 and root pi. 1 by 2 root pi. Second option is the right option. Right. Narla Venkateshwarlu, just you joined, you are asking about the time. It's not fair. Twelfth question. If the semi-vertical angle of a cone is 45 degrees, then the rate of change in base radius must be equal to, first option, rate of change in volume, second, rate of change in surface area, third, rate of change in height, height means not slant height. Fourth one, rate of change in curved surface area, Mr. Prudvi Nandu, already again you started now, right. The semi-vertical angle of a cone is 45 degrees. The rate of change in the base radius we need to find out. First, let us draw the figure. So, this is the, for example, cone. Okay. So, now this is height, this is the base radius. Say base radius is r, height is h. The semi-vertical angle theta given, that is 45 degrees. Here you find out tan 45 in the triangle. Tan 45 is equal to r by h. So, r by h equals to tan 45 is 1. That means now r is equal to, we get h. Differentiate with respect to time. dr by dt equals to dh by dt. Now, what do you say? That means the rate of change in the base radius, this is equal to dh by dt. That means rate of change in height, third option. So, I can't write and big like this only, because in the screen it will be good, I think so, right. Thirteenth problem. A particle moves along a line according to the law S is equal to t power 4 minus 5t square plus 8. The initial velocity is first option 1 unit per second. Second option 5 units per second. Third option is 4 units per second. Fourth option 0 units per second. This is the question. Okay. A particle moves along a line according to the law S is equal to t power 4 minus 5t square plus 8. The initial velocity, actually these problems are related to the kinematics physics chapter itself only. Initial velocity means actually when t is equal to 0, the velocity is called initial velocity. So, that means now find ds by dt velocity, ds by dt equals to 4t cube minus 5t square differentiation, 5 into 2t, that is actually we have here 4t cube minus 10t. Now, initial velocity means velocity when t is equal to before starting, that is 4 into 0 cube 0 minus 10 into 0 0. So, this will be 0 minus 0, 0 only, initial velocity is 0. So, fourth option. Mr. Dimpu, actually you are new, already I have done. Fourteenth one, the velocity v and the distance travelled or transversed travelled. Kavya, you are new, you need to join. Travelled by a particle is S. Particle, sorry, 1 minute, it's continuous sense. Particle S has the, that means this is the distance, has the relation 2 plus 3v square is equal to s square. Then its acceleration is its acceleration is first option yes, second option s by 2, third option s by 3, fourth option s by 4. So, this is the question. Right now, the velocity v and distance travelled by a particle s has a relation, this one 2 plus 3v square is equal to s square. Then we need to find out acceleration. Acceleration means ds by dt we need to find out. So, what is given here? Relation we have 2 plus 3v square equal to s square. Differentiate with respect to time t. So, that means you get now 0 plus v square differentiation 2v, but that is 6v dv by dt equals to 2s ds by dt. But dv by dt is we know acceleration, but ds by dt is we know ds by dt is nothing but velocity, ds by dt. The rate of change of displacement is velocity, am I correct now? So, this we can write now 6v dv by dt equal to 2s, the ds by dt is replaced by v, v gets cancelled. Now, dv by dt is acceleration, that is the required one, equal to 2s by 6 whose value is s by 3. So, third option is the right option. So, 15th question. A stone is projected vertically upwards, moves according to the law S is equal to 100t minus 16t square. No problem Kartikeya. Same thing is actually it is also happening here. Okay, now I can stop also class because here also cloudy is there. The maximum height reached is first option is 520 by 3, second option is 625 by 4, third 653, fourth one is 560. Okay. So, now a stone is projected vertically upwards, moves according to the law S is equal to 100t minus 16t square. The maximum height reached by the stone you need to find out. That is, in physics we have h max is equal to u square by 2g, the formula we have in physics, you can do it. Okay. So, now first let us find out ds by dt. ds by dt is equal to 100 minus 16 into 2t, that is 100 minus 32t. At h maximum, this is v, the velocity becomes 0. That means 100 minus 32t equal to 0. So, 32t is equal to 100, t is equal to 100 by 32. that means 425 ja 48 ja. So that means after traveling 25/8 seconds it comes to rest, then it will come down, it reaches maximum height. That means now we need to find out S at t is equal to 25/8. That means 100 into 25/8 minus 16 into 25/8 whole square. So this we need to calculate. So let us take now 25/8 common. Here also raining it is, so I can stop, because the power failure may be there here also. Right now 25/8 common, 100 minus 16 into 25/8, we have 8 2 ja. That means 25/8 into 100 minus 50 is 50, 25 and 4. This will be 625/4. So second option is the right option, right? Otherwise actually this can be done like this also. H maximum is equal to u square by 2g. So u square means this is actually this is ut plus ut minus half gt square. This in the form of, here u means you can write okay, ut minus half gt square. This is 100t, sorry 100t. Not like this, sorry, this is differentiation, leave it now. U means 100, so 100 into 100 2g, so here half into g is equal to 16, here 16, 425 ja 425 ja, and this will be, wait, now I will do it now. So simple, directly we can do this problem. So 1 minute, here see, half g is equal to 16, g equal to 32. Okay, u square is equal to 100 into 100 by 2g, 2g is 2 into 32. So now 4 8 ja 425 ja, 425 ja 4 2 ja, that means 625/4. Using physics also directly we can do this problem. Using physics also we can do directly this problem, because here also now the weather condition is not good. So I am going to close the section. Thank you one and all. Tomorrow meet you. Yes, rain is troubling us. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you.